Well, we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Varusteleka.com. Feel free to check them out at Varusteleka.com. They have a large variety of items. Get them while they're in stock. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And I've gone ahead and taken off the customs declaration manifest, and I got a piece of paper covering the label. I've gone ahead and cut the tape just to save a little bit of time. And let's go ahead and open the flap. This box is rather heavy, so I'm only going to shift it over once to center it on this platform. Excuse me. And let's go ahead and open the flaps. You see, this box was actually cut down from a much larger box. We got some padded paper here. It looks like it's corrugated to expand the volume a little bit. And we should just have 3 items, but they are rather heavy. And the top one is not in focus. Let's see which one's closer here. If my matching to what I remember the order was, let's grab this closer one here. I'm going to use 2 hands because it is rather heavy for its size. And this should be a lost my manifest. An NVA field phone surplus. So some sort of German mechanism here. See, we have a label on the top for various letter call signs you can use. This label here, not sure what goes here. Something might have been affixed there, like another sticker label. It feels textured from maybe glue. See that label there. I'm looking at the finish. There's a lot of colors in this Bakelite. Reds, greens, oranges, browns. I'm looking at the front, almost golds as well. So this is very pretty looking. Very gloss finish, as you can see. Appears to be a speaker there. Looks like a crank handle possibly. Moving around here, various points for strap attachment. You can see the hinges right there, and the other strap side. And looks like a lockdown bolt for the end of the strap, the secure strap so it doesn't pop off. Looks like contact points on the top here. You can already hear ringing already. Let's see how this opens by turning that latch. And let's open it up. And we have a wire, cable, mono looks like. We have a data plate. You can see that right there. VEB Funkwerk Colada. Got a type, a war dot number, and a fab dot number. You see that cast into that top right there. That's the hub for the loop of the wire. Looks like a cable connection point there. We have a red screw. Button. Push button. Looks like jack points here. Cable points here. A handset. Key mic. Microphone end. Receiver end. And the connector, which would go probably in one of these here. You could possibly have multiple attachments. You can see there for the pins. And looks like battery source there. Positive, negative connectors. Very interesting. Let's move along here. NVA field phone. Let me see the mechanism here. You can see here just by twisting the handle. It's a very simple latch. Let's see if I can catch it, and then this should fold up. Alright, NVA field phone. Next we want to cut the one that's kind of out of the picture, which will be a FInnish field telephone surplus. Okay, trying to use my legs, not my back. This too is heavy. So you can see the labels on the top. Not sure what that is. So let's go right here. See FInnish call signs there for the various letters. And numbers as well. If we look at the front, there's our latch, some sort of screw attachment, points for strap. They did say strap was not available. I don't think the strap didn't come with that one either. So, oh wow. Open it up. Data plate, a circuit diagram. Data plate has VV and handwritten numbers. I don't know if you can see that. And then the circuit diagram there. Padding there for the handset. Receiver, microphone end. That is direct through there. No disconnect. Trying to reach down into here. We have this part which would attach onto here somehow. Ah, okay. Not sure which way this will go, but since I'm not going to power it up, I'm not going, well, I might have to study that so we'll see if actually I put the right contacts on which side. Now that it's stuck on there, I'll work on that. Looks like we have a crank handle that can be attached. Ooh, where would it possibly here? No, that doesn't seem to make sense. Possibly. I think that's just the talk button to hang up. This goes somewhere. Trying to see where a crank point would be. Might have to refer to the online order. Oops. There does appear to be this axle here. Oh, what's this? This might be a battery point right here. You notice this just opened up in there. I'm just guessing here. No entry points here. So definitely there's a little pocket for there. Possibly another battery goes here. Try to see if the circuit diagram indicates anything. No. Really puzzled as to how this links up. Kind of thinking something like this, but how would it attach? This is threaded. So, might be something for me to research and find any more in-depth info. This looks to be popped up a little bit here too, so I'm going to work on this as well. So, FInnish field telephone surplus. So we're 2 phones in. Let's get to the third and last item. This one is going to be a Polish PNW 57 tank helmet. It's cut off with night vision goggles surplus. So we did a prior unboxing where we had a similar device. That was helmet mounted for the steel helmet, Polish issue. This one is for a tanker's helmet. So this should be interesting. You see on the top here, P&W 57, possibly A, and then 8815 possibly. Let's see if there's any other numbers. Not on that side, not on this side. You can see there's a big handle on the front, so you can actually carry it this way or pull it off a shelf. There's your hinges. You got reinforced corners, as you can see. And on the bottom, also reinforced corners. And doesn't appear to be any bolts attached. We're going to have to get rid of that right now. Clean that off. Gross. We can get this open here. Okay. Make sure there's nothing else in there. Oh. See if I can turn this sideways. Just bump the lamp. Oh, that's better. So we have a bunch of labels. This one's definitely set up different than the other one we did. A couple of labels there. We have something under here. This little slidey box. This one has definitely more stuff than the other man-portable one. Two little brown boxes here. See if I can carefully open one and see what's in them. Ooh, they might be sealed. Nope. Okay. Looks to be possibly fuses. Padded in there. Refold that, so there's two of those. And then inside of here, a little tub. Looks like some sort of possible lubricant. It is kind of tacky. And there are some marks in there. I'm not sure what these little parts are on the top here. And there are more inside the paper. There's a few springs. Those are springs here, spring coils, and more of these washers and stuff. I'm just going to put them right back in the paper here so don't get too contaminated. So this one's stuck. Okay. So yeah, looks like there's been some digging in there for this paste. Close that back up. Looks like something was in this clip here. You can see that it's just a metal clip. Alright, and this board just slides back into place. It's like a little grab hold right there. Let's see, we got these large lenses here, 4 of them. These are supposed to go over the headlights of your vehicle. Quite large. There's my hand here. See if there's any markings on them. These are Osogoras. Model number, I see an 8. Right there, you can see it. Interesting. Get this to go right back in there carefully. for it to go in at once, the seat. Pulling this out is going to be interesting. Here's the helmet, lens unit, cable, going to thread over to the back, kind of your ballast right here on the back. Things haven't really changed that much over the decades. It's like we have a screw attachment point that's all separated here and pulled out. Really don't want to lose all this stuff, so I almost want to reattach it, but let's leave that alone for now. We got some lens caps, 1 and 2. That should go over, well, one of the ends of this, probably this end, because it looks like there's something already. Those are the eyepieces. There's like a number on the back there. I really don't want to open this. I don't think you can. Looks like some sort of latch here. That would also look similar to there. So it looks like this is not attached at the moment. Put that on for now. Carefully, and I think that would thread under there. But I'm just going to set this carefully up to the side. The cable is rather long. It's attached probably to the power source on the vehicle. So, socket into there, and this mates into here. Covered that already. Strap. Some sort of possibly wrench, maybe for that. Not 100% sure. It looks like an operator's manual. Notes, sign off, inspection sign off, all sorts of stuff. This is pretty cool, I think. So, alright. Working our way backwards. This again was a Polish tank helmet with night vision goggles, surplus of course. We also had out of view here a FInnish field telephone surplus. Just trying to repack that up right now. And we also had an NVA field phone surplus. So these all came from Varusteleka.com. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. You get them while they're in stock. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and other expanded topics. And we also do a selection of book review media reviews and a series of Curios for the Curious videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.